it's Maxine at Fabricland. We thought we'd give you some DIY costume inspiration, so simple things that you can make for Halloween. So we've got dress net. We do lots of bright colours in it. We do wide elastic. You could tie it in strips and you could make yourself a nice skirt. We've got lots of Halloween print cottons. We do spiders' legs, so these pipe cleaners that you could make into spiders as decorations. And we've got bats polycotton, sparkly things. We do marabou. Maybe you'd like to use this for a cat's tail, or maybe again for spiders' legs. I've made a cape here really quickly from 1 metre of our PK. Okay, only 160 a metre. Just turn the hem on the top, put a cord through, and you've got yourself a cape. We do spider's web on net. We've got crushed velvet. We've got some skull motifs. Maybe make yourself a fab devil's cape. I've also cut out some bones out of felt, because we do felt squares, and maybe you can make yourself a skeleton. So I've got some bones and some ribs there. So that's a quick thing you could do with a black t-shirt and some leggings. We've got this lovely skull satin, which would look lovely made into a cape, or maybe for a background. And I've even got a ghost here from white polycotton, just a white bit of polycotton, some zigzags at the bottom and some eye holes. You could make yourself a quick costume. So come and have a go. Goodbye.